Welcome to Seed to Life. In my last video on Parijat, we saw how I germinated Parijat seeds in sand. Many of you reached out to me with questions through comments and emails, so I'm making this follow-up video. This time I used perlite and coco peat in equal parts and then topped the mix with an inch of perlite. The seeds germinated in the top layer of well-draining perlite and then grew roots in the seed starting mix below. I have these two cute seedlings, and today in this video I'm going to share with you how to transplant these young seedlings to a bigger pot. Let's look at the soil media. I'm using almost equal parts of good quality garden soil, compost, perlite and coco peat. Let's mix all these things in this big bucket. I'm also adding some organic fertilizer to this mix. Mix everything well. The soil and compost is a little chunky, but it is fine for now. You can sift this mix if you like to get a uniformly fine mix of soil and compost. I remove the big chunks as much as possible. If you are using the vermicompost, then the proportion is 1 cup of vermicompost for 1 gallon of soil. I filled these two 6-inch tall pots with our soil mix. The next step is to take out the seedlings and separate them. The media that I used was extremely well draining, but because of the peat moss, it was holding moisture very well. You can see how the roots are growing very easily without any resistance. Such seedlings are easier to separate. To take the seedlings out, just tap on the bottom and side of the cup. If it doesn't separate, then you can use a stick to separate the media from the sides of the cup and then again keep tapping. And if you're not comfortable, then just cut the cup or use a cardboard cup. You can easily tear that off. I reuse the cups and I like these type of cups because you can see the roots growing inside. This is the part where I get panicked. But thanks to the loose soil, the seedlings separated very easily without any damage. Roots are looking very healthy too. Then I planted the seedlings one by one. Gently pat the soil to secure the seedlings in place. Water the seedlings so that the soil is thoroughly moist and any air trapped in the soil comes out. You can insert a stake to keep the plants upright as they grow. Keep the seedlings in a semi-shade area or near a window. I live in Texas and the temperature has jumped from 70s to 90s degree Fahrenheit. I'm sure that these seedlings cannot tolerate the temperature yet. You can use a grow light if the temperature is not consistent in your region or falls below 70 degrees Fahrenheit frequently. Water the plants when the top layer starts drying. A moist media is preferred, but it shouldn't be soggy at all. Good luck to you with your seeds. I hope this video helps. A big thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, Seed to Life, and share my videos. Media links are posted in the description. See you again. Bye.